So welcome back to Money Guys channels again. Sorry, I have the busy days of my full-time jobs. Alright, it was very messing up me a lot. So today is the Saturday night. Okay, it's we gonna good day for a move. Alright. Okay, we will begin with the crypto markets Bitcoin one. In Saturday nights is very cool down for now in my country. So my name is Pei. I'm gonna review any markets, currency pair, crypto, even though the stock sometimes, gold, metal. Review the graph that is the basic one that can improve our mindset. So this is our message to be the trader all around the world, something that was very important. So maybe I will gonna change some of my style for every time that I'm record. I'm will try to sharing some of my signal, you know some of signal that can be uh, can be used for the strategy to be in and out. Okay, I'm gonna send you some of signal to be tried in the entry edge. That's a good point. So I will give you some of the stop loss point and take profit point. That's very attractive one to you all guys to be look at because of it more effective than the other days. So we'll begin with the Bitcoin first. What is daily time frame Bitcoin tell you? For now, the price is very retracement back upward to the crowd. Alright, that I will always use is the Ishimoku indicator one, and the fund flow. The place implied for now is attached by the candlestick already. Alright, this is daily time frames that maybe is more messy and upset one to be looking for the entry is for by now. Sometimes it may be obstacle with the crowd the above, but for now, how about the 4-hour time frame is another big time frame one. It tells you that the Kumo is very thin, golden cross has happened, and the front row is above the crowd and the candlestick already. Alright, this is twisting up to the uptrend right now, but the Kumo is very thin. That means very soon it can be retest back, to the red line here, over here, and the blue line over here that we call Kishensen and Tenkan-sen. And if you're looking for sales, we call this is the retracement strategy. Strategy one style. Okay, if you looking that one, we gonna use the daily time frame to see some of the significant resistance and support by use this indicator one. Yes, it makes sense that the price will be blocked by this resistance above because it's nearby the crowd, right? It's very nearby the crowd. So on the weekday, as you know, the only market that active for now is the cryptocurrencies market. For now on, we used to Focus to the BTC USD first for this Saturday night. So this is the resistance one that very significant above. So maybe price can be up to retest to this resistance at this value about $43,700, and then it can be back up. So because of for now the crowd is very flashing right now, the base of crowd is flash. The golden cross had occurred in daily time frame, so the price will retracement to the Kumo again, and then it can be blocked by the Kumo and then went down. It's so very sideways for now, so it's maybe down and up to be in the Kumo again of this flyer view. So how about the 4-hour time frames? Okay, 4-hour time frame, the support is very significant as the daily time frames over here. As you can see, if I switch back to the daily time frames, is just about this support is the Kishinsen and Tinkelsen cross golden cross right now. Alright, so maybe this is the support zone for this one. Okay, for now on, this is the, if it's daily time frame, tell that this is the base of the crowd, base Kumo, maybe up there and then resistant by this and went down it again. So by now the present pi is very close to this resistance that the previous top before 4 hours early, right? If it can break this point, it can be to retest the resistance above. Alright, so we don't know, maybe it will be gonna be blocked by this one or this one and then went down back to the Kishinsen and Tenkan-sen again and the Kumo again. So this is very big gap. So by now, the very significant of the price action one, I think maybe it just by price pattern around here. So maybe you can use with this many doji is over here. So maybe I will use this price in 4-hour time frames to be as the alarm, set the alarm. If it can break the another size, it can be looking for some of the entry edge one, you know. This is very complicated one because of this is just like a retracement strategy, you know. Retracement strategy is the probability to win is very low. If we want to be the much more opportunity to win, it will be trendy strategy. You can follow by there. It can be make more profit and probability to win, right? But it is so thin. But it's gonna be break of this nearly resistant to be retest of this one again, right? But it's, as you can see, it's was very thin. It's me break down this doji candlestick to retracement of the golden cross Kishinsen and Tenkan-sen over here. So let me twist back to the middle time frame as 1 hour time frames, you know, 1 hour time frames. In couples of hours ago, there has many doji over here and over here and over here. So the price is action is in this channel. In middle time frame, the present value is above of the candlestick and the Kumo already, but the distance between here and here is very close to the candlesticks. That's maybe why it can break this doji and then retest back to the Kishan sends the bull lie below again because the Kumo is very fresh right now and it's maybe obstacle with this Kumo, right? But if it can break up, it will be retraced to the Kumo, so it can be up again. But if it break this doji one, right, just like a price action over here, it's gonna be moving back to the Kishansen first and the Kumo first. This is the 4-hour Kumo. This, as I mentioned, I'm sorry, this is a 1 hour Kumo, and this one I mean 4 hours Kumo, right? The best of the Kumo, the best of the crowd. So I'm gonna be set the alarm, all right, over here or not. So how about another middle time frames as 30-minute time frames? For now, the price is very close to the upper Kumo right here, and this is another significant resistance over here. So it means if it can break this one up, it can be when to retest back, you know, to the above resistance over here, right? Maybe. Or it can be retest back to retest Kumo this again. So it was very crossing one, you know. This is very spiky and tricky market of the BTC right now. So in 30-minute time frame for now, as you can see, the previous high before is over here, just a 30-minute earlier, that's blocked by this area. So if it can break, it's gonna be retracement up to retracement up on the above significant layer. All right. Okay. For 1 hour, as you can see. Okay. For this one, I'm gonna setting alarms around here. Okay, sorry. So I'm looking for the another. I will suggest you some of the entry edge of the two sideways to be uptrend above, to be retest to the resistance above about 34 and 34,700. Alright, and another one is retest back to the kitchen below. As you can see, the angle of 1 hour kitchen is up thing right now. Maybe it can break this one to retest the resistance above. Because of in 30-minute time frames, it can be supported by kitchen 10% for one time, 10% for two time, and another 3 time, and then 4 times. You know that the big Kumo is under around here is very thickness one in 30-minute time frame, so it was very near a spiky one. So on this Saturday night, I'm sorry, very sorry. It was very risky market over here right now. You know, gonna be, the price can be sideways like this, or it can be break up. This is one strategy, two strategy, or maybe it can break this Kumo to be this. It's 3 way that lose your probability to win. It's just about a probability to win. It can be break down just only 30%, not 50-50, right? It's low down your probability to win. So it's for now, as I review the graph of the Bitcoin in this Saturday night, we will say you that I'm gonna simply stay away for this market for now. But tomorrow on Sunday morning, I will looking for some of the opportunity again to looking for the entry rate and send message and sharing some the good point to announcers all around the world to see the most effective ones of my channel money guys. So finally, the last one that important thing is we gonna stick with the trendy strategy much more than retracement strategy. As I mentioned before, if you're looking for the retracement strategy, the probability to win is just like 30%, only that. So it's very risky, right? So by now, that's why I'm simply stay away from the Bitcoin USD for a moment. For now, okay? Have a good dream. Bye bye.